Hello, my friend, we meet again. It's been a while, where should we begin? Feels like forever. Within my heart are memories of perfect love that you...
Kahit anong pang pinagdaanan ninyo, dahil dinala kayo ng Diyos sa sandaling ito, alam nyo, lagi magkakaroon ng magandang papupuntahan kung saan kayo nakula.
When you are with me, I'm free, I'm careless, I believe. Above all the others will fly.
Love, from this day forward, I promise to love you with all my heart, to support you in every decision you make, and to stand by your side no matter what comes our way.
Vincent, pukalbasag ng loob ang pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Lyra Eden na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo.
We've seen our share of ups and downs. Oh, how quickly life can turn around.
Standing here with you in the presence of God, in front of our families and friends, I'm just lucky one.
It feels so good to reunite within yourself.
Ang isa't isa ay larawan ng biyaya na galing sa Diyos. Na ang totoong kailangan mo, nasa tabi mo. Ang totoong bubuo sa iyo, nasa tabi mo.
When you are with me, I'm free, I'm careless, I believe.
Nais kong bigyan ka ng isang bagay na kumakatawan sa buhay na bubuuin natin. Isang lugar kung saan lalago ang ating mga pangarap, maririnig ang ating mga tawa, at lalago ang ating pagmamahal. I will choose you every single day before anything else because you are my everything.
Hello, my friend, we meet
We've been through a lot, a very interesting roller coaster ride with you, with so many ups and downs, and I am so blessed dahil sa lahat ng yon, nasa tabi kita. Kahit long distance, feeling ko nasa tabi pa rin.
Ano ba?
Guys, welcome to my wedding day! This is gonna be the best day of my life. This is gonna be the best day of my life.
5 years and 9 months. Ang dami nating pinagdaanan. Away bate, minsan ako ang may topak, minsan ikaw naman, or ikaw talaga palagi, or ako ba talaga palagi? Sino ba talaga?
Howled at the moon with friends, and then the sun came crashing in. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. But
subaybayan nyo lang ang magandang mangyayari sa buhay ni Vincent at ni Lyra Eden. Daig pa ang pelikula dahil ito'y kwento ng pag-ibig na nilikha ng Diyos.
This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. I hear it calling outside my window. I feel it in my
Love, salamat dahil pumayag ka. I cannot promise you the moon and the stars dahil hindi ako astronaut. Hindi ako si Superman. Hindi din ako si Batman. Hindi ako si Spider-Man, but I am your man. Magpakailanman.
This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life.
I'm so lucky to have you and I can't wait to continue this journey together. I wouldn't want to walk through life with anyone else. Ginahigugma kita.
Everything is looking up, everybody